Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how you can activate the voice assistant with TOZO T20 earbuds. So if you have connected the earbuds to, let's say, your smartphone, then you can activate Google Assistant, Siri or something similar by simply tapping on the touch panel 3 times on either the left or right earbud. So if you press 3 times, then you will activate the Google Assistant. You can also adjust that if you have the TOZO app. You can download the app in the Google Play Store or the Apple Store, and this is how the app is called. Once you install it and open it and create an account and add the TOZO T20 earbuds to the app, then you can go to touch controls. Sorry, before that you need to tap on this gear icon in order to go to the settings. Then over here you can go to touch control, and over here you can see that triple click triggers voice assistant for both sides. But if you want to, you can adjust that, and for instance you can choose to set it for double click instead. And that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye.